Good morning from a very warm August morning here in Madrid at Today I'm travelling on the fantastic high-speed Spanish rail service RENFE to Barcelona. It's 400 miles in just 2 hours and 40 minutes. If you hold a flexible or semi-flexible ticket in Preferente first class, you can gain entry into the Sala Club Lounge. It offers basic food and drink, but is a nice place to spend a few minutes before boarding. There is a basic security check before the departure area, but it's a simple bag X-ray. There are no body scanners or metal detectors. Boarding is controlled at the top of the travelator. Although it's fast, there is no priority boarding for Preferente customers. First impressions are that this is a comfortable place to hang out for a couple of hours. Seating is a 2x1, which is typically European first class. Seats are comfortable and it has a large table. They even show a film on the overhead screens, and sound is by plugging in your headphones. Today's film is Captain Marvel, starring Samuel L. Jackson. Departure is bang on time, and we see another AVE 103 train type being prepared for departure. Spain, for information, didn't get its first high-speed train until 1992, but as we'll see, they've more than made up for it now. As we head out through the Madrid suburbs, on weekdays, a full breakfast is served. It's a bit early for alcohol, even for me, but it is available if morning drinking is your thing. Service starts with a hot towel, and as we rapidly pick up speed towards 186 miles an hour, we head into Spain's open fields. Whilst we're speeding through the Spanish countryside, I'd like to tell you a bit about the fare options on this route. Booking with Loco2.com, fares are the same as booking direct with Renfe, but the booking process is all in English, and you can print your ticket out at home. Preferente first class, which is where I am today, cost £101 single, which gives you lounge access and, if you cancel, a 70% refund. Non-flexible tickets are only £10 cheaper, come without lounge access or any refund options. There are 3 classes of travel on this train: Turista second class, Turista Plus, which is a premium second class with a 2x1 seating formation, and where I am, Preferente first class. The difference between Turista Plus and Preferente is simply in Preferente you get leather seats, a meal and a film. After reclining my seat, breakfast is served. It didn't look too appetising, to be honest, but trust me, it was delicious. To finish, a chocolate and another round of drinks are served. We arrive into Zaragoza on time, and after a quick stop, we're back up to speed again. We only make 2 stops between Madrid and Barcelona. Here we are arriving at Tarragona. Other than these stops, the train has rarely dropped below 186 miles an hour. That's very impressive. We arrive into Barcelona bang on time. This is one of the smoothest, quietest trains I've ever been on. The food, service and speed make this a very real alternative to flying between the 2 cities, and I 100% recommend you give it a go. Thanks for coming with me on this journey today, and don't forget to follow me on Twitter, Facebook and Instagram. So here I am at Barcelona Sants, the main train station here in Barcelona, after the 2.5-hour journey from Madrid. It's a really impressive high-speed service. We've had a bit of speed, style and certainly luxury. So I hope you'll join me on my next video, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Bye for now.